Okay, here we go again. My name is Travis Huggins, and this is for Anatomy and Physiology 2, Module 6, and this is the second question, which asks me to go over a secondary organ of the digestive system, its function and its structures. So secondary organ, I took to mean accessory organ. So in other words, something that is not directly part of the tube that runs from the mouth down to the large intestine. So one of those organs is the pancreas, which I have highlighted here. It's best known, I think at least, for its role in the endocrine system, which is secreting the hormones insulin and glucagon. But it also plays a very critical role in digestion. So first off, looking at the structure and components of it, it's divided into three separate portions, or three continuous portions, I suppose. The first one is the head, which is right here, and then the body, which is the middle portion, and then the tail, which runs this way, right here. Running down the middle of the pancreas is a duct called I have it actually labeled here, but it doesn't show on the video or on the screen. It's the Great Pancreatic Vein, or duct. Sorry, not vein. The Great Pancreatic, the Great Pancreatic Duct, which runs here, and it merges with the common bile duct before it empties into the duodenum. The function is essentially that, like, when we eat, our parasympathetic nervous system and hormones increase the pancreatic secretion of what's called pancreatic juice. This juice is produced by pancreatic cells, which are called acinar cells. The secretions of the pancreas help negate the acidic chyme that comes down from the stomach. So acid that's coming out of the stomach could cause damage, and so these secretions help negate that. And the enzymes that are secreted by the acinar cells help to catalyze the chemical reactions responsible for digestion. So extremely important roles that this plays. Food does not come into direct contact with this. That's why it's an accessory organ. However, it plays that critical role in digestion, which allows food to be digested and protected, and the organs themselves are protected. And that's my video. Thank you very much for your time.